Stephanie.
And I'm 𝘏𝑗.
And welcome to Designer's Paradise. We wanted to create a channel that can connect you to interior design and what we consider to be our version of design paradise.
Fantastic. So we're in a 2-bedroom condo downtown Calgary. Steph and I are both professional interior designers, so we had an existing dining table. We thought, why not bring some tips and tricks to you guys in terms of how you guys can dress up your dining table at home today.
Tricky, tricky. So today we're going to walk you through 2 different dining style settings. Since we're all in quarantine and bored with our families, why not make your dinners a little bit fancier? So we're gonna walk you through kind of an informal family dinners table style setting. And then the second, we're going to do an entertainment lounge, kind of a cocktail vibe style setting, because God knows everybody needs a drink right now.
Okay, so the 4 things that we feel you need to keep into consideration when you're dressing up your dining table, doesn't matter what dining table setting you're doing. The first would be is making sure that you're starting off with a clean canvas, so making sure your dining table is very clean and the surrounding area is also looking the same. The second thing is identifying what your functional pieces are. The third is going to be creating a focal point, and the fourth is the area in which you can get creative and bring in some more of your decorative elements, and we're going to show you guys all that when we're dressing up our dining table here.
Your panache.
So the first look that we want to take you guys through is going to be our, like Steph said, the informal dining style setting.
Okay.
Yeah. Starting off with a clean dining table, Steph and I are using our dishware, the 𝘿𝙤𝙬𝙧𝙨𝙞𝙬𝙧, traditionally used for Moroccan cuisine, and the salad bowl, which are our functional pieces, to create a focal point in the center of the table. We are using these pieces and doubling them up as a focal point to create a centerpiece as opposed to crowding the table too much. This means form and function. The dishware itself has a black base which contrasts with the cream tagine as well as the 𝘿𝙤𝙬𝙧𝙨 dinner plates. Our stainless steel charger plates help to create harmony with the wood, ceramic, and metals, which you can visually see. Contrast helps to create unification within the color palette. And lastly, let's get creative. This is the area in which you can add flowers, napkins, and obviously always feel comfortable to rearrange stuff. We want to make sure that we're creating that perfect vignette for our guests, so when they're walking around the table, every single angle looks pitch perfect.
We just walked you through the informal dinner style setting, and now we're gonna do the entertainment cocktail style setting, which is our favorite.
Okay, let's get started.
Again, we have our 4 main points to consider with having a clean table to start. Secondly, we have our functional pieces, so you can have coasters, plates, possibly cutlery somewhere as well that's within easy access for your guests. The focal point here is mainly the decor. You want to wow your guests when they approach the space, of course. You can incorporate the food with the decors we have and make this fun and unexpected. So guys, you can see that we have our finger food at various heights. Usually you would have hot and cold appetizers. It's nice to have decor and food at eye height though, like we've done with our 3-tier serving stand. People are going to be walking around rather than sitting, and they can appreciate the food and decor more so at eye height. Finally, this is where you enter personal flair. For this, we added a candle. You can also add little knickknacks that go with the theme of your party, or you could even add artwork or frame pictures for that matter, stand them up, make them as weird or glamorous as you want. People love the unexpected.
If you guys like watching our video today, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you didn't like it, please just subscribe anyways, because we're gonna be coming out with some pretty cool content. And we'd also love to hear from you guys in terms of what you guys would like to see from us next.
We're also gonna give away some stuff.
Yes.
So if you do all of those, all of the above, you're going to be entitled to win one of the only the dining table owned specifically by 𝘏𝑗, purchased solely by 𝘏𝑗. Ready for this, y'all?
We'll only ship it out once COVID's done though.
Yeah,
Okay,
because
yeah.
I licked it. I actually licked the table. Just kidding.
Okay.
We're gonna give away the beautiful dining table that we have showcased for you guys.
So what you guys need to do is you guys actually need to like, comment, subscribe, turn on your notifications, and also
share it with 5 people. 5. All 5, we're gonna count them all.
So share it with 5 other people, and we're
excited to see you guys soon. Bye.